What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use a promo code on agoda.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So how to use and how to find basically an Agoda promo code. So basically Agoda has built its reputation on the website with steeply discounted hotel rooms. So of course you can find basically hotel rooms with discount, but how can you actually make money? And of course you're having Save More on the app, so they are pushing the app usage, so basically there are more discounts on the mobile app. So they Agoda makes money by saving users money. With this in mind, it's no surprise that Agoda offers promo codes that allow its users to receive additional discounts. In this guide we are gonna go through it. So Agoda.com provides a wide selection of steeply discounted hotel rooms. And also, what is a promo code? It offers promo codes to incentivize potential customers to try its website and as a way to keep past customers coming back. Typically, a promo code on Agoda range value from 5 to 20%. Promo code, promotion code, discount code, coupon code, and voucher code are the terms of the same thing. Agoda and its users intercharge them, but so we are gonna just go with the promo code. So how to find it? At the top of the homepage, click today's deals. As you can see, coupons and deals over here. We can get these coupons over here. So how to actually get them? So basically you can explore deals and everyday deals. Agoda displays 5 to 10 basically deals every day, and you can explore deals by promo codes range the discount from 5 to 10%. For more info about the particular explore deal offer, click on the destination basically and click copy or save promo code somewhere, so you'll have it ready at the checkout. To find a local hotel to apply code towards, just click search properties. After finding a listing you like, select your room type on the customer info page, scroll until you see a box that reads enter your promo code here. This is where you'll paste or just enter your promo code. After you enter promo code, a green check should appear besides the text box, which means your code is valid. If you see the red X, that the code is invalid. This discount will apply towards your booking total beside promo discount, as in the screenshot above. The 10% discount, as you can see, promotion discount, which are the yellow letters over here. So basically in that way you know that your coupon or code or whatever you were using was eligible. So over here we are having how to apply coupons, find a coupon and collect it. If there is a promotion code, don't forget to copy it. Search for properties with coupon applicable label to use your coupons, and be sure to apply your coupons promotion code before completing payments. So overall guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.